In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to buy Amazon Prime. First, open your web browser and head to amazon.com Prime. If you're not already signed in, you'll be prompted to log into your Amazon account so your membership can be linked correctly. Once you're on the Prime page, you'll see the current offer for a 30-day free trial. This trial gives you access to fast, free delivery, award-winning TV, exclusive deals, and more. After the trial ends, it's $14.99 per month plus tax, and you can cancel anytime, so you stay in control of your subscription. Before you start, take a moment to review what's included. With fast, free delivery, you can get same-day, one-day, or two-day shipping on millions of items, which is great for essentials and last-minute needs. Prime Video gives you unlimited streaming with new releases, award-winning originals, and live sports, and you can watch on your favorite devices with limited ads. You'll also see exclusive deals and savings, including daily discounts and access to big events like Prime Day. There are more benefits that often get overlooked. You can get grocery savings at Amazon Fresh and Whole Foods Market, both online and in-store where available. Amazon Music with Prime includes ad-free music and top podcasts to keep you listening without interruptions. Amazon Photos provides unlimited, full-resolution photo storage, which is perfect for backing up your pictures. Some regions also offer fuel savings, like 10 cents off per gallon at participating stations. And there's a Grubhub Plus perk with $0 delivery fees, lower service fees, and special savings. Plus, you can save on prescriptions at many pharmacies, including Amazon's own pharmacy service. When you're ready, click the button that says, "Start your free 30-day trial." At this point, you can enter a gift card code if you have one, or you can add a credit or debit card. The payment method is used after the free trial ends, so you won't be charged during the trial period. A helpful tip is to note the renewal date and set a reminder, just in case you decide not to continue. Once you confirm your selection, that's it. Your Prime benefits will activate, and you can start enjoying everything right away. That's how to buy Amazon Prime from start to finish. If you found this helpful, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and tap the bell icon so you don't miss future uploads. Thanks for watching.